Salted coriander.
Oh.
You like coriander? We use this in tom yum and tom kha. More or less because you're gonna make individual and you can add, right? Okay, I have a mission for you, and I'll let you walk around. Yeah, pick up ingredient. And you five might have to be with me in that corner a little bit because you have a question about the basil. This one, see the flower light green, the leaf light green, holy basil. This is lemon basil.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
there's one there.
Wow, wow.
This is lemon basil.
Lemon basil, correct.
Oh, this is.
You see this? This is another kind of eggplant. We call them pea eggplant. You think you've seen it before in green curry or in red curry?
Yeah, green
That's
curry,
it.
green curry.
Nice. See, that's a green mango?
I thought this was a pea.
It's we call it pea eggplant. You see behind you, there's also sawtooth coriander. Can you pick it? That, and I have another one to grown up, you know? Not too big, you know, like that. Otherwise it's gonna dry. No. That's a tamarind tree. You see it?
Tamarind.
That's a tamarind tree. You see the blossom flower? The flowers are very pretty. Okay, we move inside. I hope you have everything. If not, it's okay. I send my housekeeper come back. It's too hot. I named my cooking class Thai Secret. I have many secrets to tell you. Yeah. You smell this? This is very Indian style. Okay, so you see that? Oyster sauce, soy sauce, salty. That's why we have to add a bit of sugar to balance, to cut off the salt in it. They're kind of dry. You see that? A little some more. You can add some water or chicken stock. Not too much. So, and then we bring it to deep fry.
Scare himself.
You remember? Shall we do one more? Or are you okay?
Yep.
One more? That's guaranteed that tastes good. Because everywhere when you go Thai kitchen, you know, street vendor, when people sneeze, there's a holy basil there and delicious, yummy. You demonstrate Pad Thai. You guys come here. Pad Thai team, pork belly oil, because you eat everything. Here we go. Yeah, about 2 tablespoons. The noodle, when you put the noodle into the sauce, let it sit. It's kind of many steps, but don't worry, I'm gonna walk up and down and help to remind you the instruction and helping you, yeah? So when you have that in, you let it sit 5-10 seconds and then you flip, you see? Like that. But try to don't stir. Water now, and try to don't stir like that. Try go with the bean sprout. You cut them too small. When I show you it's big, but it's okay. It's okay, go. The oil is burning, start cooking now. Don't need to cut. 2 full in, chicken. You guys the same team. You cut everything small, huh? Okay, pickle right. You can cut them small. It's okay, not big deal. But the thing is, when you cook, it cook over fast. Yeah. You know, overcook very fast.
I put this on.
Yeah. Okay. Because we want to keep the prawn nice and not tough, you know? Perfect cook, right? The prawn, you don't want to get it too dry. We take it out, put in here. Yeah, sauce in and water.
Chicken
High heat. When it's too low, higher heat. Yeah. Sauce, pickle rather dry shrimp. Yeah, sauce now. A bit more oil. High heat.
I put water now.
Yeah, water. We're making Pad Thai. Many things going on. We have spring roll, we have Pad Thai. Yeah, sauce and water and then noodle. Yeah. Noodle. The noodle has to be cooked first. Split them. Hold the handle. Okay. Need a bit more water. Later, we have to cook the noodle a little bit more, yeah? Keep stirring a bit more. Okay, sauce. You know, that's why I didn't really give you a measuring spoon exactly because I want you to learn how to use the ingredient. You ready? Yeah. Okay. Yellow team, it will be delicate job. You do it, turn the gas on high. We're gonna need more oil. Can I have yellow quick look? Only the parts of frying shallot. Hey, you cut shallot very nice. Good job. It look beautiful. Okay, you put in the middle. When you see the shallot change color from purple white to kind of yellow, you will see golden yellow. The more shallot color is getting darker, the fire has to be opposite, lower.